Welcome to JH. In this guide, I will demonstrate how to modify your handling times on eBay. Whether you are an experienced merchant or a newcomer, managing these durations effectively is vital for keeping buyers happy. Handling time represents the gap between a customer's purchase and when you dispatch the package, significantly affecting your seller status. Let's go through the process of updating this key setting. To begin, sign into your eBay account using your login details. Once logged in, navigate to the My eBay link located at the top right of your screen. Hover your mouse over it to reveal a menu, then select Selling. This area serves as your central hub for overseeing listings and monitoring your sales progress. After entering the selling dashboard, identify the specific listing you wish to change and click on it. This action opens the listing's properties, allowing you to modify various elements like shipping information. Scroll down until you reach the shipping details block. Accuracy here is essential, so buyers know exactly when their package will arrive. Within this area, find your settings under the Preferences header, which manages all shipping configurations for that item. Now, click the pencil icon situated next to the handling time options. This symbol indicates that the field is editable. On eBay, the pencil always signifies that you can make adjustments to a specific setting. Under the handling time section, you will see several choices for your time frame, such as 1, 2, or 3 business days. Remember that faster handling can attract more customers who want their items quickly, so pick a duration you can reliably achieve. Finally, ensure you click the Save button to apply your updates. It is very important to confirm these changes so they go into effect immediately. Your updates directly influence how buyers view your listings, so always double-check your work before finishing. That concludes our tutorial on managing eBay handling times. By staying on top of these settings, you provide clear expectations for your buyers and protect your seller reputation. Good luck with your sales.